Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day one of Vlogmas. I am so excited. I'm filming this on November 23rd, but I'm uploading this video on December 1st. December is going to be such a jam-packed month. I'm gonna be a train wreck all month probably trying to keep up with this, but I'm so excited because it's two of my favorite things combined. Doing YouTube, Christmas, and the holidays mashed together. So I hope you're as excited as I am. I did Vlogmas last year. I don't know how I did it, but I did all 25 days by the grace of God. It was really hard, but it was worth it because it was super rewarding, and I really hope I can do that again this year. So stay tuned for all the fun stuff I have planned. I won't be vlogging every single day. Some videos will be pre-filmed because it's just like would not be possible for me to vlog every single day and have like a video of substance to upload each day. So I'm breaking it up a little bit. I'll have some sit down videos in between vlogs and pre-filmed stuff. But my hope is that you will have a new video for me on my channel every single day of December leading up to the 25th. It's gonna be fun. December is such a crazy month. Like I said, it is my birthday month, Christmas. I'll have finals, I'm gonna be traveling this month, and so many other things I have planned I just can't wait for. So I did this last year. I wanted to incorporate a bigger purpose or some sort of bigger, I guess not agenda, I don't know what the right word to use is, behind doing videos every single day, because yeah, I could have entertaining content out every single day of the month, but if I have a captive audience for that many days in a row, I want to be able to advocate and do something bigger than just myself, because the holiday season is about the birth of Christ, and I think it's a lot about giving back to our communities. So last year I did something fun with Bible verses, but I really want to take it to the next level this year and practically be the hands and feet of Jesus in my community and around the world. So I'm going to be doing a different act of kindness every single day. It will be somewhere incorporated in the video for Vlogmas. I have it all planned out. Every day I'm doing something different. I guess not every day is something different because some things repeat themselves, and I have a lot of days that I'll be donating to different charities, and I will share the charity in case you want to donate to. I asked you guys on my Instagram, and I asked you in a video a couple weeks ago if you have any charities that were close to your heart or that your families are involved in or that you feel passionate about. So I have a list of those. That way I can incorporate you guys into this, and it really makes me happy. It's really fulfilling for me to be able to give back with what God has given me. Yes, I'm trying to do a segment about like giving back to the community, and you're interrupting me. I have things like donating to charity. I'm gonna spend some days making cards for kids in the hospital, baking cookies for my neighbors. I'm gonna do, or as much as I can, just like in general, whether or not it's filmed. Every time I go through a drive-through somewhere, I wanna try and pay for the person behind me. In the month of December, some days I might not be able to film what I'm doing as my act of kindness, because the goal of it is not to be like, look at me, like I'm such a great citizen, I'm such a great person. I don't wanna do that. I just wanna encourage you guys to do the same and just like spread a positive message of hope and generosity. So I can't wait for that. I'm really excited. I really hope you guys enjoy the next 25 days of videos I have. I know, like I said, I'm gonna be a train wreck this month. It's gonna be crazy, but hopefully that just adds to the entertainment value. I haven't even decorated my room for Christmas. I tried to be festive with the earrings and the pants. You can't even see the pants. Here they are, but it's gonna be a great time, so I hope you stick around. Today I slept in. It's like day 2, I mean if you count the weekend, like day 4 of my Thanksgiving break. I slept in today and I finished up all my planning for Vlogmas. Like I outlined my big calendar for the month, all my random acts of kindness I'm gonna do each day, and the charities. I got all that organized. I tried to clean my room. I feel like every time I clean my room it just becomes just as messy in like the next 5 minutes, so I even pick things up. What? It's so cute. Do you like it? Yeah. For the rest of the day, I have a fun day planned. I need to finish up like some working stuff, editing, and everything I was planning earlier. It's 1:52. And then around 4, my friend Kenna's coming over and we're gonna go Christmas shopping and ice skating. We planned this like elaborate date. We've had this in the calendar for like a month. Probably less than that actually. I don't even know how long it's been, but we are pumped. And then we're gonna come back to my house and watch a Christmas movie. So this is like kicking off Vlogmas, getting in the holiday spirit. The act of kindness I'm gonna be doing is going to be later in the video. We're gonna bake cookies after we get back from Christmas shopping, and I'm gonna save them to give to my neighbors because I just have the best neighbors ever. I babysit for a lot of them and they're just the best people, so I want to just do something fun, special for them. So for now, before Kenna gets here, I need to work really efficiently right here and finish editing stuff. Okay, update. Look who's here. Hi. Look at her outfit. That's some white tea.
White Tea Boutique. I'm on Instagram. Okay, guys, so we're going shopping and we're gonna buy.
I'm gonna put Kenna Cam.
This is so like I'm like genuinely scared. Like I don't like
of this being on the internet or my driving?
No, both.
Just put it on me.
Okay.
I'm at a red light, don't worry. Me and Kenna have so much to catch up on every time we hang out. It's like actually unreal because things just happen. So many things happen in our lives when we don't hang out with each other, and then like every once a month we like have a luncheon, or once a month we like have a date planned, and we go like all out. I don't do this with any of my other friends. It's because we don't go to the same school. Do people even know how I know you? They're kind of like, who's this girl?
Yeah.
You're not on here that much.
I think I'm on like 3 and I like religiously
okay, so why
watch
don't you
those.
explain how we know each other?
So me and Katie met at our old school, and we went to school for like a very long time.
Yes, with context, the one that shut down.
She was like friends with my brother first.
Yeah.
And then, I don't know, I think it was like,
you guys don't know.
Was yearbook class.
Yes!
Yearbook class. We were the teacher's favorites by far.
But she really did love us, so.
Yeah, and then we just kind of like became friends from there. And we kind of like didn't talk for like a good like couple months.
It wasn't like on purpose.
No. Like it just wasn't like, we never crossed paths.
I was like going through my yearbooks and I found a picture of us.
Oh yeah, it was. And then you like sent it to me and I was like, I miss you, we should hang out. And then we got lunch and then here we are.
We're at another red light, but Kenna is 1 grade below me, but she's not 1 year younger.
Yes.
She just like skipped a grade kind of, or like didn't go to.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, she did it, sorry. It doesn't make any sense. Cashton is Kenna's brother, and if you're like a religious subscriber, you've probably seen him on the vlogs before. We're really close friends, and then our families are just like family friends. Would you say? Yeah.
Yeah. Cashton plays football.
And he's a very good football player.
He's alright.
He's awful.
He is playing in the CIF championships on Saturday.
Big deal.
Big deal. And if you want to keep up my life, I recently lost 2 championships.
No, 3.
3! We went as far as we could and then we lost. But like still losing 3 championships really like
rough. So we really need a ring.
We really need a Henjum W this month.
So me, Matt, and Charlie are gonna go.
Oh, you're coming?
Yeah. Did I not tell you that? Oh my gosh, the battery's flashing and I don't have an extra one. Guys, that's really depressing.
So we're not gonna get to vlog.
No, we're gonna vlog. We just need to turn off the camera.
Okay, bye.
Okay, we made it and the tree is looking gorgeous. Okay, update. We're an American Eagle. Kenna's gonna get embarrassed by my vlogging soon.
No, I'm not.
You're doing well.
I'm proud.
I just bought Allie a gift, but I can't show it. Okay, we're at Target. We're skipping ice skating because the line is literally like beyond insane, but we're getting cookies to make, and then I just needed this random stuff, and then I needed dry shampoo and cotton pads, and I'm too stubborn to pay for the 10 cents for the bag, so I'm just gonna carry it. Okay, the cookies are baking. I just put them in like 2 minutes ago. Hi guys, update. It is currently almost midnight. Kenna left my house like 2-ish hours ago, maybe a little less than that. And I was sobbing, you guys. Let me give you some context. We were watching Grey's Anatomy. It was season 11 towards the end, so skip forward if you don't want me to spoil anything. I've never watched the show before. I mean, I've heard like bits and pieces of it because Allie and Grace watch it, but I don't. Anyways, it was the episode where like, this is your time. Please skip forward if you are like watching the show and I'm gonna ruin it. It's the episode where Derek dies and it is literally heartbreaking. The flashbacks, I was like, I haven't even watched the show, so like watching the show for 11 seasons, I can't even imagine the pain. Anyway, me and Kenna finished episode 20 and it happened in episode 21. So she went home, she finished watching it, I finished watching it here, and these are the photos of us crying. I was like, this has got to be a joke. It was so sad. Anyway, if you need a good cry, go watch season 11 episode 20 and 21 of Grey's Anatomy. So that's it for Vlogmas day 1. I am so excited for the next 24 days of me being a train wreck because it's gonna mean really entertaining content for you guys. I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm really tired, but I'm excited because tomorrow I'm filming a fun video with Sydney that's gonna be Vlogmas day 3. So stay tuned for all that. I will see you guys tomorrow and I hope you have a great day. Bye guys.
Okay, how do I start recording?
I did all 25 days, but I did all 25 days, and I really hope I did all 25 days, and I'm hoping I can do it.
Hey guys, so we're on our way.
No, you can't say that, because if you're gonna know where
frick, okay.
Okay, that's really cool. This is Kenna's favorite sibling.
My phone's gonna die, it's fine.
Oh my god. Kenna! You think I'm not prepared for this moment? But wait, I can't say what I bought.
Way to go,
Kenna, it's not even